Alam mo ba na pwede ka nang magkaroon ng property investment sa prime location in Mandaluyong? Starting of 10,814 per month, may junior 1 bedroom ka na ang size ay 22 square meters. Starting at 15,731 pesos per month, may 1 bedroom with balcony ka na with a size of 35 square meters. Located ito sa Reliance Street, corner Mayflower Street, Barangay Highway Hills, Mandaluyong City. Available itong units with 10% down payment, move-in ka na after building turnover. At available din ito sa no down payment option at flexible payment terms na we can align according to your budget. Libre lang din ang property investment consultation. For sample computation, site visit, and full property information, just reach me out on this number.